Bizzle?
My second I'm call you back. Yeah, we're open for business. Yeah.
I'm leaving.
Okay.
Is everything okay?
Yeah. Just get an order for your family of 7, so I'm gonna deal with it.
You know I never plan to open today, right?
Yeah. But you know today I one of the day then when people go out and eat. And we're one of the only restaurant we open now. So just go home, go relax and cock up. And just enjoy your new year. I got this.
Alright, Bizzle. And Happy New Year to you too. Hello, Trevor.
Hey, nice. Happy New Year.
Thanks.
Nice. How you sound? So, what one?
Nothing, Trevor.
What do you mean? No? You're not sound right. Something about you?
No.
Right. If you say so. Well, anyway, just call to tell us, boy, wish you Happy New Year and hope everything going good for you. But in the same breath, I want to tell us that to watch that brother day when you have a power with. Tell me so. How long you know him?
Know him for a while.
Well, anyway, I don't trust you. I beg you. Spy for me.
Like how I should keep an eye on you.
I don't mean it that way.
Me
Another
no,
way the man talk about.
me no mean it that way they need a Trevor.
Yeah. Just keep
Trevor.
an eye on him. You feel like how you used to tell me how to watch Tony and all of them something there? Yeah. I not trust him.
Trevor, can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
You do care about me?
What do you mean, like? Of course I didn't care about you. But it seems like you never care about yourself.
Trevor.
Anyway.
Happy New Year.
Yeah, man. Same to you.
And tell Camille Happy New Year for me.
Yeah, man. Definitely.
no. Can I send me a cold dragon, please?